Hi guys, I just made another video and another theme, Papirus Dark Tela theme. Just an idea, what if, quick, have a package built on the repo and you can have it as well. So if you say, oh, that's a nice icon theme, you go and get the repository from Nemesis here, Nemesis repo on Eric Dubois. Shall we go there? We shall go there. Right. Let's see what we get. GitHub and then Eric Dubois and then Nemesis. Well, it's something like that, probably, right? Click. Now you're one level too deep, one up, and you'll see that there is a repository. Maybe I should pin it. Not a bad idea. So star Nemesis repo in here. That's the copy paste. Control C, and yes, we have the tweak tool, right? Control Alt E, and we go inside there, and there is the big shop. I call it the shop. Well, Pacman, right? Add custom repo to pacman.com. Control V, apply custom repo. It's there, and then you get and Pacman a few extra lines of code to have an extra repository. So I have it already. Control X. I've not seen my work yet on this computer system. Let's first get the new databases in, otherwise you don't see anything. So the new Nemesis repo has to come in, and then I can say sudo pacman -s papyrus. It's a papyrus theme. Dark Tela, what's that? That's new. Papirus Dark Tela, where is it coming from? The Nemesis repo. Yes, please. Let's have a look. And then it's your machine, right? Currently, I'm these 8 weeks and months, maybe already. I've been on LeftWM, but it depends. 26 desktops. Choose the way you change. In my case, it's Alex appearance. So many tiling window managers work like that. Icon theme. Papirus Dark Tela. Apply. That's one. Control Alt M from XFCE. It's a combo. Thunar is not from Awesome. Thunar is not from BSPWM. Thunar is not from LeftWM. Thunar is from XFCE. Go to the system manager, system settings from XFCE. If you think about it, it makes sense. Papirus Dark Tela. Papirus icon theme for dark theme with the Tela folder icons. Okay, cool. And that's it. Now to actually see it, knowledge right, -Q. Kill Thunar. It is open. It is, if it's launched once, even if you close Thunar, it's still running. So quit it. Then I can do all that, and then Super Shift Enter. There you go. You've got your Tela icons and you have your Papirus icons here. So choices. You can make so many combos with other icons. That's what we stand for, right? Freedom, knowledge sharing, and make your own custom repo. Make your packages and you get them in on different computers, or after a clean install, get them back in. All right, cheers.